Want to know how to make a thumbnail for a new video game? Well, in today's video, I'll show you how to. Okay, so first things first, you'll have to click on like whatever project. And you see I got this project called Clicker Game. It's from the last video. Go check it out. Anyways, so I'm gonna make a new sprite. You can name it. I'll name it thumbnail just for the sake of this video. I'll name it thumbnail. And next thing you want to do is you want to make your thumbnail. But for this case, I'm going to upload a thumbnail because I already have one. Boom. I have my thumbnail. Now all I have to do is I'm going to convert that to Victor. Okay? If you downloaded your thumbnail or whatever. Alright, next thing you want to do is just hide that variable. Yeah, hide it. But I am gonna go. Let's just. Alright, I made a mistake. I accidentally put it in the background. Let's just copy that and paste it. Okay. Anyway, now you've got your thumbnail. Now you've got your thumbnail. So what you want to do now is you want to do some coding on it. You want to say when flag is clicked, hide. Yeah, that is about it. That is all you need to do. Make sure to save it too. Yeah, I hope you guys found this helpful. See you in the next video. Bye.